Hi, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to talk about using slope in Excel. So here I have a document for you, quickly defining a little bit of slope. So the key, though, to Excel is that slope and intercept are looking for just one answer. If there's more than one answer, you're going to get an error, in which case you want to use LINUST. This is actually designed to return any reasonable data. So just an FYI if that's what you're running into. So how does it work? It's a real easy formula. Just in case you don't remember, you can always go under the Formula tab, Insert Function, and find what you're looking for this way. Or you can just simply start writing equals slope. And I'm going to do A27 and then comma, and I'm going to do the B side and return. And there's my slope. So really just that simple. Hope this helps what you're looking for. Thanks for watching.